Hello everyone, this is jsvisa and I come from Group. Before this project, I want to introduce Group. Group is a leading digital finance company, and in the meantime, Group is also holding the SEA, which is launched for the Build Quest Web3 Innovation Challenges. And I'm the DA leader of the Group Web3 security team. And besides of my job, I'm also an independent Ethereum ecosystem contributor, and I manage also execution clients for Gas, REST, and Elegant. And here's a picture about my contribution in, over the past 6 years. And yeah, I'm continually contributing, and let's continually contributing. Yeah. So today I will introduce a small piece of our fund in the history, which is occurred in the execution class GETS. Before we dive into the question what it is, let me show you what we found in the monitoring panel. You can see there's some abnormal points in the picture, and so we just found this, maybe there's something is wrong, and so we need to find what's wrong. It is really very hard to find which process indicates those abnormal points. But we are lucky. We finally found some project, process that use WebSocket to connect with the gas node and pull some data back. So we found the process, then we just pprof it. This is a piece of the proof firm graph, and in the picture you can see there's many CPU used to do the JSON module, and yeah, very much. So we find this, maybe there's something wrong in the process, maybe in the client or in the server, and luckily we finally found there's something wrong in the server. So what's the problem? We just write some simple code to reproduce the issue. So in the picture you can see we have two structures. One is the raw result, and the other one is the interface result. And the raw result which uses the JSON.raw messaging, and the other one uses interface. And we also wrote some benchmark functions to just benchmark it. It is really simple. You can just reply it with the simple code in your machine. And here's the result. In the picture, we can see, yeah, let's translate into the chart. In the chart, you can see the interface one, this uses less CPU, and in the meantime, the memory usage is also smaller than the raw message. So here's the question. In the server side, they store the data as the JSON.raw messaging and use it to mature and unmature again and again. But what we want to improve is just to store it as an interface, and on the end, we just return the interface and mature it into the JSON messaging. And so this is a PRV proposal in the Ethereum, and it is much. The fix is really easy, not very much. You just need to find where's problems and fix it, and add some test cases. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
All right, let's give him a warm round of applause. jsvisa. You speak as fast as a choo-choo train, man. All I heard was JSON file, and you're saving. So if I understand correctly, you're using JSON file to save on memory space, and that's how you save your costs. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So I'm not completely an idiot. I don't come from a tech background, cool. So it can be quite challenging for me. But nevertheless, let's quickly look at the screen. We got 2 questions for you, jsvisa. So let's look at the first question at the top. What do you dislike about the clients that you worked on? Get, Aragon, Red.
Actually, I selected the clients I like. So I like Gas, I like Elegant, and I like REST. But in the meantime, for some other clients like Java, I really dislike it.
Okay. All right, I appreciate the honesty. You select clients you like. Fantastic. How much of, one got voted to the top. What other problems did you find in Get's pprof?
I think maybe a lot of other issues. But in my point is, you need to profit or you need to improve it. It is depends on your workload. It depends on your company's workload. You need to first measure it and you need to monitor it, and then you can find the issue you want to fix or you want to improve or others. Yeah.
All right. We got 30 seconds. You think you can do one more question? Let's try. Quick answer. How much of a performance improvement do you get after the PR?
Actually, let me see. Maybe 13%.
13%?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Cool. But it is just for the WebSocket notify, says RPC.
Okay, you got 20 seconds. Let's do one more. How come interface is faster than raw message unpassed bytes?
How come interface? I think I'm not really deep into that one, but I think because in the GoSM side they want to marshal and unmarshal, because every time you marshal it into better and then unmarshal back, this is the problem what it is. Yeah.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give our speaker another big round of applause. JSVisa.